Or do with your life?
To do with my life right now, the main thing I'd like to focus on, project that my friends and I are working towards side of this. We've set up fear, intolerance are much more, and that the direction that we're taking first of all is
You give business, you give money to individual because you cannot make people to do business together.
He wants to know how he can get money. So for him, he needs money.
He needs money from
Money and people. How can he get the money for his business?
And the people.
but people are there, but then really most people are poor from this way. Can people from this Africa really give him money for business?
Well, he's wondering how he can get it. He's not saying Africans have to give him money. But what advice do you have for him for how he can find the money he needs to do what he wants to do?
With that one, I cannot tell because there's no African who can give him money really.
Yeah, but besides giving someone money, is there any other ways that he can get the money?
He can get it as long as he's employed. He gets salary, then that one he contributes to people. Why you say that?
Okay, according to me, you can get money through friendship. When you make friendship with other people, you can get money. Like most NGOs come like helping us. You need to contact other big people so that they give you the needs you need. You tell them what you're going to do with that money. You're given money, you come and help people. Yeah, so you need to get, if she needs to get money, has to get friends outside and do other things with the friends, then he or she will be given the money. And when he or she comes to Uganda, maybe to help like people like us, he has to also make friendship, because there is need for you to come and help a poor person, but at the end you end up developing a rich person again, more adding riches to a rich person. Because now when you come to Uganda, maybe you have come to help that a poor boy. That poor boy, you have no idea of where the poor boy stays. You have no idea of what. You come, you make yourself maybe in touch with other people. Those people give you their contacts, and when you call, they are the ones to receive.
Only to get money, that is God is plan. You have to plan in order to get money. You don't sit and you get money. You have to look for money, but no money can't look for you. Any which way. For me, as a Mary John, once I would say that I've finished here 21 years. I came without any sandal, any slipper, but I've got it in Masai 3 in the Jinja district. How do I get that money? Because I had nothing. But from that money, where I've been getting from people by digging just chambers, gardeners' purpose, I was sparing that money. Once I get 500, I just get it halfway of that money. Until I was buying slowly the shoes, trouser, and then from buying that, I got even money to rent a house. And then I get the money. I got to bring my woman, because I left the woman at home. To the man where I opened a small kiosk. From that small kiosk, my woman was just running that business, yet I'm working. From there, you work slowly. I got the money. Where there's a friend of mine, because I like friendship than even a brother. Because the brother wants you to die and they take everything which you have. But the friend is the best thing. They have to plan for you and they give you another who say that, John, let's go and join Pride. That's Pride Microfinance. I went there. They told me that at least you have to pay 2,200 for entry fee. And after 2 weeks, they gave me 300,000. For that 300,000, I was paying 70,700 a week. I paid that money until I finished that money. I came up with the extent of 800,000. 800,000. I just bought iron seats. And then the money which I was keeping somewhere, I bought a small part of a plot. Okay, Banja. I started. I built that same house, same permanent house. After finishing that house, I struggled to pay that money until I finished it. They gave me gave me again 1.5 million. 1.5. Again, I bought another plot. From that day, another plot also. I finished that. I struggled in order to pay that money. I finished that money, and then I had my money again, which now almost now they're going to give me. They're going to give me 6M. Okay. Because only one month they're going to give me 80M or 20 millions. Ooh. Whereby I'm planning for it also. Yeah. Because I'm planned and my brothers are giving that advice. Yeah. From that,
maybe you could invest in Joey.
Yeah, I'm still enjoying. Hey, that's why I'm telling you, Joey also to do like that.